Okay, Math 8, here we go, day 9. This is our review day, so you should know how to do these, set these up. These are all that you need to do. You know these. If you don't, go to day 3. Day 3 has examples of all of these. I'm going to go over examples of ones that you learned this week. So 6 and 7. So you take your notes out, write them down, whatever you got to do. Get them. Here we go, 4 steps, and it's those 4 steps that we've been talking about for the last 2 videos. And it's distribute, combine like terms. We're going to skip the third one, remove the extra variable, and I'm sorry, that's step 3 is remove the extra variable. This one is add, subtract, get rid of what's added, subtracted to the variable, and get rid of what's multiplied or divided to the variable. So follow that. This sheet is on there. You can print this, you can look at it, whatever you want to do. It is in the Learning Center. 4 steps. So we look for this part of it, where we have a number attached to the parentheses. That's the distribute part. -4 times -2 is 8, and they have an n together. -4 times -7 is 28. No n together. That doesn't count. You kind of get rid of that. You see -4 times 7, -7. All right, we didn't use that. Bring it down. 8 is positive, so we'll say plus, and bring down the 90. Distribute, combine like terms. Well, the -2 and the 28 do not have a variable n, so they are alike, and there is nothing else to combine with the n. So 28 and -2 is 26, plus 8n will bring down the 90 and the equals. We don't have that extra variable. This is a step where that would be. There would be like a 2n over here. Since there's no 2n or any other n in over here, we don't have to worry about that step. But we will get rid of what's added or subtracted to the n. And that's how we know 8 is attached. You can see it's very attached. That's times. So that's our last step that we're going to do. So we're going to look at this one. Since this is plus 26, we're going to subtract 26 from both sides. We're left with 8n. And 90 minus 26. Let's see, what do we have here? 54. Let's see, 50, 60, 70, 80, nope. 64. And we'll divide by 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times n is n. And 64 divided by 8 is 8. Perfect square, right? 8 times 8 is 64. So it's 8. There's our answer. Get started again. Here we'll go. Look at this part of it right here. There is a 1 or a -1 in front of that r there. So we're going to do 4 times 6. It's 24. 4 times -1 is -4. They have an r together. We also bring down that. -4 equals 88. And combine like terms. We combine the ones that have the 2 r's, so have the r's. This one doesn't. So 24 stays. So -4 plus -4 is -8r. Bring down the equals and the 88. That -8 is attached to the r, so we look over here. That's plus 24, so we subtract 24. We bring down, make sure we're bringing that negative with it. So it's -8r. And 88 minus 24, 464. Well, once again, we're going to divide by -8. R equals, but this time we had 8 last time, so it's going to be -8 because we have 1 8 or a negative there. So there's the answer. R equals -8. Have any questions? Zoom with me. You have a time, 9 o'clock. Get to that. Zoom. You need to Zoom with me if you need to. If you don't understand this, if you don't understand any of the other ones, for 1 through 5, there is the video on day 3 that goes through each type of those. It's the same thing. You have done all of those during bell ringers for the entire year. So make sure you get them done. You guys are good. You're confident. Get it done. Be safe.